Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we want to solve for x given that 2x plus 5 is equal to 17. This is a pretty simple algebraic equation. It is a linear equation and we are going to get only one solution for x. To solve for x in this type of problem, you will need to retain the term that contains the unknown on the left hand side while you move away the term that does not have the unknown to the other side. Invariably, this becomes 2x is equal to 17. Because this is plus 5, when it comes to the right hand side, it becomes minus 5. So that we now have 2x is equal to 17 minus 5 is 12. At this point, to solve for x, you will then need to divide through by 2 so that on the left hand side you are left with only x, and on the right hand side 12 divided by 2 is 6. So your final answer here is 6. X is equal to 6. Like I said, you are only going to get one solution, which is 6. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. See you in my next video.